Welcome to Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Today we are going to discuss Google Ads marketing. What is Google Ads? Google Ads is a paid advertising platform that falls under a marketing channel known as pay-per-click, where you pay per click or per impression on an ad. Does Google Ads work? Yes, Google Ads works. With an optimized ad campaign and lead flow, you can create a high ROI marketing campaign. Why advertise on Google? Google is the most used search engine, receiving over 5 billion search queries a day. Not to mention, the Google Ads platform has been around for nearly 2 decades, giving it some seniority in the area of paid advertising. Google Ads best practices. If you have tried unsuccessfully to advertise on Google, don't give up. There are many reasons why your Google Ads could be underperforming. Let's cover some common Google Ads best practices. Google Ads terms to know: ad rank, bidding, campaign type, click-through rate, conversion rate, display network, ad extensions, keywords, PPC, quality score. Ad rank. Your ad rank determines your ad placement. The higher the value, the better you'll rank, the more eyes will fall on your ad, and the higher the probability that users will click your ad. Your ad rank is determined by your maximum bid multiplied by your quality score. Bidding. Google Ads is based on a bidding system where you as the advertiser select a maximum bid amount you are willing to pay for a click on your ad. The higher your bid, the better your placement. You have 3 options for bidding: CPC, CPM, or CPE. CPC, or cost per click, is the amount you pay for each click on your ad. CPM, or cost per mil, is the amount you pay for 1,000 ad impressions, that is when your ad is shown to 1,000 people. CPE, or cost per engagement, is the amount you pay when someone takes a predetermined action with your ad. Campaign type. Before you begin a paid campaign on Google Ads, you'll select between one of 3 campaign types: search, display, or video. Search ads are text ads that are displayed among search results on a Google results page. Display ads are typically image-based and are shown on web pages within the Google Display Network. Video ads are between 6 and 15 seconds and appear on YouTube. Click-through rate. Your CTR is the number of clicks you get on your ad as a proportion of the number of views your ad gets. A higher CTR indicates a quality ad that matches search intent and targets relevant keywords. Conversion rate. CVR is a measure of form submissions as a proportion of total visits to your landing page. Simplistically speaking, a high CVR means that your landing page presents a seamless user experience that matches the promise of the ad. Display network. Google Ads can be displayed on either search results pages or a web page within Google's display network. GDN is a network of websites that allow space on their web pages for Google Ads. These ads can be text-based or image ads and is displayed alongside content relevant to your target keywords. The most popular display adoptions are Google Shopping and app campaigns. extensions. Ad extensions allow you to supplement your ad with additional information at no additional cost. These extensions fall under one of 5 categories: site link, call, location, offer, or app. We will cover each of these ad extensions below. Keywords. When a Google user types a query into the search field, Google returns a range of results that match the searcher's intent. Keywords are words or phrases that align with what a searcher wants and will satisfy their query. You select keywords based on which queries you want to display your ad alongside. Negative keywords are a list of keyword terms that you do not want to rank for. Google will pull you from the bid on these keywords. Typically, these are semi-related to your intended search terms, but fall outside of the realm of what you offer or want to rank for. PPC. Pay-per-click, or PPC, is a type of advertising where the advertiser pays per click on an ad. PPC is not specific to Google Ads, but it is the most common type of paid campaign. It's important to understand the ins and outs of PPC before launching your first Google Ads campaign. Quality score. Your quality score measures the quality of your ad by your click-through rate, the relevance of your keywords, the quality of your landing page, and your past performance on the SERP. QS is a determining factor in your ad rank. If you want to know more details and improve your search engine optimization, SEO, marketing, then why are you waiting? Join the Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Our training classes are online or offline. We are the #1 digital marketing institute in India. Our courses are certified by top university in India. We are offering 3 types of certified diploma programs in digital marketing. Digital Marketing Certification Program. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design UI and UX. Our training program during 6 months. First 3 months we teach about the course completely and practically. Next 3 months arrange an internship and live projects in top MNC companies. End of 3 months internship, you will get 3 months internship experience certificate in top MNC companies. We offers additional career support services for you. There are resume building, portfolio building, interview questions and answers, personality development, soft skills training, LinkedIn profile building, communication skills training, mock interviews, one-on-one mentorship, job portal, career counseling, and dedicated placement offers. Our alumni placed in top MNC companies. We have 3,000 alumni and 11,000 hiring partners. We have 5 branches in Asia: Singapore, Dubai, Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore,